Affiliate marketing options.
Have you been wanting to give your current job the shove for quite some time? Do you have the tune, "Take this job and shove it" as your cell phone ringtone? Would you love to get into your own business, but you're afraid of the risk? Well, the fears of risk are nothing to be laughed at. The vast majority of small businesses fail within the first year. There are a variety of reasons, but the financial risk is incredibly high. To minimize the risk, many look into the field of affiliate marketing. This takes about 90% of the risk factor away and allows you to set up a business for yourself. As an affiliate, you do actually work for another company or merchant. You sell either products or services depending on your particular skills and talents. Affiliate programs are great for those that are creative, self-motivated, and not afraid of hard work. When you become an affiliate, the corporation takes on the risk. You can sign on to sell products or you can sell services. You can work to increase website traffic to other sites and receive referral payments, or you can create your own sites and make money through ad revenue. The choice is entirely yours. If you are just starting out, you may want to join an affiliate program that has been established. You won't be competing with other internet giants and you'll gain some necessary skills and experience. One well-known affiliate partnership is the one that exists between Bizrate and Shopzilla. Both of these two sites exist as separate entities. However, they have combined their resources to make an excellent affiliate program. Bizrate functions as a comparison shopping site. If someone wants a certain item, they can search for it via Bizrate. The site will tell you where to purchase it and how much it charges. They will give you a complete item description as well. Bizrate also lets the consumers know who is offering particular items for the lowest price and who offers the best value for money. Bizrate gives consumers a chance to check out merchant reviews as well. Shopzilla functions as an internet shopping site. They sell goods in several different categories and promise low prices with quality service. You can purchase nearly anything you like via the Shopzilla site. If you have a credit or debit card, the item will be delivered directly to you. Shopzilla offers people the chance to join their affiliate marketing program. As one of their affiliates, you are welcome to place sales content onto their site. You can place products that you might be selling for another affiliate company that you are working for, or you can work to increase the sales and revenue of the content already listed. Each method can result in sales commission and more money for you. One great advantage of the Shopzilla affiliate marketing program is that it works with the Bizrate site. Even though Shopzilla runs the affiliate program, it has the support and backing of another major retail site. Your content can be posted on Shopzilla and then reviewed on Bizrate. If you're a good seller and offer a quality product, this can be highly advantageous. By becoming a good, reliable merchant, you can get the Bizrate high rating, which will make customer trust you over others. If you are creative and have sales savvy, then perhaps you should consider a career in affiliate marketing. This will allow you to work for yourself with very little risk to you. It is easy to get started and the costs are next to nothing. If you have a computer and internet, then you're all set. By taking advantage of the Shopzilla Bizrate partnership, you can maximize your earning potential. By placing your content on Shopzilla and having it rated on Bizrate, you can gain a high level of exposure and internet traffic. If you offer a quality product and conduct yourself as a god merchant, there is no reason why these two sites can't make you a lot of money. Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.